back to the Espresso. I'm Tiāntiān. So in this video, we will continue to expand our vocabulary around the key verb to eat in Chinese, which is 吃. Excellent, very good. So today we will expand more verbs around the concept of 吃. So we already talked about some food that you have to be careful when you describe about eating, because apart from the literal meaning, it has additional cultural meaning. So for example, 吃豆腐, eat tofu, be careful with that. And 吃白饭, eat plain rice, be careful of that. And what else? Also 吃软饭, eat soft rice and eat vegetables, 吃素的. If you want to find out why, have a look at my previous video and how many words has eat in it in Chinese. So these are the words you need to be, careful with. Today, however, we will talk about some very common expressions extended with the verb 吃. So the first one I want to say is 吃不下. 吃不下. Yes. So imagine, I think the Chinese language is very descriptive and very vivid, very metaphoric. So 吃不下. So whenever we eat, it goes down. 吃不下. So eat not down. So that means I'm full. Can't take more food down into my tummy. So 吃不下. When do you use it? Typically, in the guest host setting, this is very useful. So you do not want to come across as a greedy guest in the Chinese culture. Usually you would leave some food on the plate and indicate the host is very generous and very well prepared. So when they give you more food, which they will do, and you will just say, 您太客气了，我真的吃不下了。哦，您太客气了。我实在吃不下了. So you're so kind, but really, really I'm full. I can't take no more. Okay? 您太客气了，我实在吃不下了。您太客气了，我真的吃不下了. Okay, so this is one of the typical setting. Or sometimes you can just simply indicate, indeed, you're not full. For example, 中午我吃太多，现在晚饭吃不下了。今天中午我吃太多，现在晚饭我吃不下了。So today I had quite a bit of food during lunchtime, and now it's dinner, but I'm full. I can't eat more. Okay, so this is probably a typical feeling during New Year, Chinese New Year, or Christmas time. That's how you feel. You had a lot during lunchtime and you can't take more in the evening. 所以今天中午我吃太多，晚上我吃不下了。Okay, so this is the first expression, 吃不下. Very simple. Eat not down, cannot take no more. Okay, the second one we will learn is 吃不准, 准, accurate. Okay, so eat not accurate. 吃不准. Right, so this word obviously you can't take it as the literal meaning. 吃不准 means you can't be certain, you're unsure. Okay, so if people ask you a very difficult question like chicken, egg, what comes first? 我吃不准, 我吃不准. I'm not sure, I'm not certain. So sometimes you can indicate, for example, you're not sure about certain situation. 比方说我吃不准这个消息的真假。我吃不准这个消息的真假。So I can't tell whether this information is accurate or not. Or 真假, to be true or to be false. 我吃不准这个消息的真假. So this is one way of using it. And another time you can, if in a work situation, if you're not sure about something, you can say, 这件事情我也吃不准，最好问一下王经理。这件事情我也吃不准，最好问一下王经理。So I'm I'm also not sure about this when other colleague maybe consult you on something. I'm also not sure about something. Best to ask manager Wang. Okay, so get a second opinion. 这件事情我也吃不准，最好问一下，最好问一下啊，最好请教一下，请教 a little bit more polite to seek the advice from someone. Okay, so this is 吃不准 very common, very useful, just uncertain. 我不清楚 that's a kind of an equivalent. 我不清楚我吃不准。And the last word is even more common. 吃不消，吃不消。So 消 here means digest. So imagine 吃不消 eat, not digest. Okay, eat, not digest. So when all the food is just stuck in you, and that's not a wonderful feeling, huh? 吃不消. So 吃不消 in Chinese actually means cannot handle no more, cannot bear, the situation, or cannot bear this person. So 吃不消, again, super common, super useful. So when can you use it? For example, we typically talk about if you do something, let's say if you stay up all night all the time, it's not going to be good for your health because your body cannot handle it. So for example, 天天熬夜，身体一定吃不消。天天熬夜，身体一定吃不消。So if you stay up all night all the time, your body cannot handle it. Your body definitely cannot handle it. 天天熬夜，身体一定吃不消。Okay, so this is one example. We talk about this meaning referring to the physical state where you carry something heavy, 吃不消, or elderly people walking long distance, 吃不消. So this is a kind of physical description of cannot handle. But you can also describe, I just simply cannot stand. I cannot bear something anymore. So for example, 他的脾气我实在是吃不消。他的脾气我实在是吃不消。脾气 temper. I really can't stand her temper. Okay, so it could be someone who's really moody, gets angry quite easily. 他的脾气我实在是吃不消。实在是 here is emphasized. So these words tend to come together when you want to complain a little bit about something you can't handle. Well, then you can describe any other situation. 他的行为我实在是吃不消。I really can't stand his or her behavior. 我的老板实在是吃不消，我吃不消我的老板。So I can't handle my boss. So you can use it in a lot of different situations. It just means I can't stand, I can't bear something or somebody. Okay, so very quickly, these are the 3 words that we learned today. 吃不下, 吃不下. So typically you say, I can no longer eat more. So you add a little la at the end. 我吃不下了，我真的吃不下了，我实在是吃不下了. Okay, so it's a very useful way want to indicate you're polite in a guest situation. The second one, 吃不准, 吃不准. So this is useful when you want to express the things that you're not sure and express things that you just feel uncertain about. 我吃不准. There's so many things can't be certain. Currently with the lockdown, with the global pandemic, 我吃不准我们什么时候可以上班回办公室上班。我吃不准我们什么时候可以回办公室上班。So now we are working from home. I just said I can't be certain when we can go back to work in the office. 我吃不准什么时候我可以去度假。我吃不准我什么时候可以去度假。I can't be certain when I can go traveling for holiday. I can't be certain when I can travel for holiday again. Or 我们吃不准英国的经济发展，我们吃不准英国的经济走向。So we can't be certain about the development of the UK economy. So this is 吃不准, cannot be certain, unsure. And then the last word is 吃不消. Yes, you eat, but you can't digest. Horrible feeling. So cannot stand, cannot bear physically, but also mentally. 所以你可以说提那么重的东西，它的背吃不消。提那么重的东西，它的背吃不消。So carry so heavy stuff, his back can't handle it. Or 这个人我实在是吃不消。这个人我实在是吃不消。I really can't handle this person. So maybe this person is a bit difficult to deal with. So these three words one last time. 吃不下，吃不准，吃不消。Excellent. 很好，非常好。Well, thank you for watching, and hopefully you will be now able to use these three words regularly and try it out. So I think that's pretty much enough about 吃 and 再见. See you next time. Bye.